Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have to find the value for y. This equation is given y to the power y equal to 7 to the power y plus 49. I need to get the value for y here. So how we can solve this question? Here you are saying that the powers are in the addition form over 7. So I need to make it separate so that we can proceed, and we have to write all the variables on the left side and all the constant variables on the right side. So let's start. Here y to the power y is written as same, and I'm writing here 7 to the power y into 7 to the power 49. I'm writing by using this formula over here, and this formula is if suppose a to the power m plus n, so I can make it separate a to the power m into a to the power n in this way by using this formula. So this one can be right as, because I told these variables, this term is having a variable, so all the variables should be on the right side, so on the left side. So it is y to the power y divided by 7 to the power y, and 7 to the power y 7 to the power 49 divided by 7 to the power y. That is I'm going to write over here, and this one can be write as y by 7, and there is a power y over here, and here we are having 7y, and this one 7 to the power y, 7 to the power y will cancel each other, and we have 7 to the power 49 over here in this way. Now I need to put the base and power same. So how we can proceed? Here we have one strategy, that one I'm going to use over here. That is, here's y by 7. So y by 7, so I'm getting clue here. Here I have only y, so I need to divide this power by using 1 by here y by 7, so I need to put the power 1 by 7. If I'm writing here power, so this way also I have to raise the power over here 49 by 1 upon 7. So it will be y by 7 and y by 7 over here, and here 7, and here 49 into 1 upon 7, so it is coming y by 7, and here y by 7 over here, so here 7 to the power 7. And we can say that if powers are same here with the base, suppose base is a, and here power is also a, and base is suppose here b, power is also b, therefore we can say that a is equal to b over here. And by using this concept I can tell one thing, that is here bases are same, so y upon 7, that should be equal to 7. So y equal to 7 multiply 7 will get here 49. So 49 is our solution, this one. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.